Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be going through some of the basic settings of setting up your OBS Studio's screen recording software. Okay, so you've got your OBS Studio software downloaded onto your computer, and now you're ready to get started sharing your computer screen with others so that you can teach them what you have learned. Alright, so that's what we're going to be going over in this video, is what settings do you need to have in order to get going and start sharing your computer screen with others. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so boom. You got your OBS Studios screen sharing and screen recording software set up on your computer. Alright, so now what's next? Now the first thing that you're going to do after installing the software is you're going to go to where it says sources. This is where you can pick what sources you're looking to utilize. All right, and the way that you do that is you just go and click over this plus button. This is going to give you a bunch of different options. For starters, I would suggest just going with a video capture device. That's what you're watching right now, where we're capturing a video of my computer screen, and then also FaceTime is also sharing video of me and what my face looks like on the video. Okay, so that's going to be a video capture. That's what I'd probably suggest for a beginner just to get started with, so go ahead and click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to be asked to name it. I just left it as video capture device, so it's asking me to rename it as video capture device 2, whereas really I don't need a next one, so I'm probably just going to cancel that. All right, so that's what I'd get started with, is just your video capture device. All right, I would skip scenes for now as a beginner. What I would look at is just this mixer. So basically what this has to do is what volume your audio is coming in at. You can adjust the volume based on whether you're using a microphone or whether you're using your computer's audio. That's entirely up to you, but I wouldn't mess with that too much. If you scroll over here a little bit more, again, you've got some scene transitions. That's going to be a little bit more advanced, so I would leave that for now. But then also, if you go over to where it says controls, you can see that this is where you can start setting up with your settings. Okay, so right now, as you can see, if I click on this will stop recording this video. Right now I'm recording, so your screen will say start recording or start streaming. If I want to start streaming, then that's what I do. All right, and I'm going to go through the settings with you so that you can see what kind of settings I have you can utilize on your computer. Studio mode, again, I would skip that for now, but we can get into an advanced tutorial if you're looking for that. Anyways, let's go into settings. Okay, so settings here, leave it pretty much as it is. If you're just downloading this is 2019, I would pretty much just leave your general settings the way it is. Okay, so next what you're going to do is go to your stream. Now if you're streaming, depending whether you stream to Twitch or depending whether you stream to YouTube or where you're streaming to, Facebook Live, whatever you're doing, this is where you're going to be setting up your streaming settings. Okay, so that's right here. Also your server, again, I just left that as auto settings. Next is output. What I did here is I switched it. I think it came with, I want to say 2500. I just switched it up to 3500. I wouldn't suggest going too much over that, and that way you don't have a problem with other people trying to view your stream. If you go too high with that, it'll just cause complications. Okay, so I go 3500 max to start with that, and then the other settings I'd probably just leave for now. As for your recording, what I would do is I would set up a file. So that's what I did. I set up over here onto in my video folder, I set up a folder specifically for screen sharing videos. Okay, and every time that I record a video, it automatically gets downloaded to that folder. Okay, and that just helps me save and be organized with my videos. All right, so I'd recommend you probably do something similar to that. As for your audio, you can go ahead and mess with this if you want. I did not, just because for now I just use the audio that comes with my computer. It's pretty good. So Next, we go to video. Video, what I would do is I'd probably change this base resolution to 1920 by 1080. It's not going to let me change it or show you any of the options right now just because we're in recording mode, so it won't allow me to change anything while we're recording. But I would set both your base resolution and your output resolution to 1920 by 1080, and that would be a safe place to be. As for your hotkeys, I just keep these simple. My basic hotkeys are start recording, I hit A, stop recording, I hit Z, and then you can choose to like get into whatever you're into. But me, I keep it basic. And then as for showing my picture on the screen, if I want to hide my picture, I just have a hotkey of H. Boom. Now probably you can't see me right now, but if I hit S, then I'm back on. Or hold up, yeah, something like that. As for advanced, if this is a beginner's tutorial, so I would recommend just keeping this simple. Okay. Yeah, again, I just want to show you, I don't know if my face was on screen when I was showing you there, but again, I'm hiding my face because I had it set up in my hotkeys, and then I'm sharing my face because that's my hotkey settings. So these are the basic settings for this OBS software, which again is probably the best free screen recording and screen sharing software that's available in 2019. Now, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If there's anything else I can share with you guys, feel free, leave a comment, reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you out. Anyways, again, thanks for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you on the next video. Peace.